So this is how you log into Adobe and download Photoshop at home. All you have to do is go to the URL, the address bar, and type in the URL adobe.com. When on their website, there's a sign in button right up here. And you need to use your CSD Docs account. So this is mine. But yours will be your login for the computer. And then at csddocs.org. It's got to have that because that's how it recognizes that we're part of the district, so that it will give it to us for free. Click continue, and then it will redirect you to Google and want you to sign in again. csddocs.org. You got to have that on the end of it. Can't be just your username. It's got to be at csddocs.org. Click next. And then your password. Press next or click next. And then it will be, you should be logged into your Creative Cloud account. Here it comes. And then see, it'll have your name right here. And then you can download all these apps. And we need Photoshop for now. So just say get app, click that. So mine says open, but yours will probably say download somewhere around here because I've already got it downloaded, so it just wants me to open it. So that's how you do it. It should work on any computer that's not a Chromebook or a tablet. Even an iPad should work as well. Good luck.